You know who this is, man. Big jet. Big jet. Here we are. Big jet. Hanging out in my office.
Got the engineer for the GCU logging in tonight. Have a look.
Dope, man. That's so good. All right, back at it. Sorry, G. Ah! No. You're good. You can talk. We've got all the plugs that have just come in for the injectors and the bosses, which Damon's been an absolute legend and just chucking them in straight away. So we're going to be able to get the car running and driving today. I got to get the first impressions. And our big boy E85 fuel injectors.
They're going to do things.
They're going to squirt everywhere.
Do lots of things.
Inside the head.
As long as they do things, we're fine.
Dude, this is coming up so quick. And while this is going on, let's see, you've got some wires running over the side to do the plug on the fuel sensor. And that should be about that. What is up, guys? As you can hear, we've got Damo cutting up some adapters for the fuel rail. Going through, wiring up the pins for the fuel sensor. And then again, need to change out all of the plugs on the injectors as well, since we have these new EV14 16 style connectors, and we're also going to get the VCT wired in at the same time. All right, we've got the plugs installed on the new injectors now. Just going to run the fuel pump, start setting up our fuel pressure regulator over here. And see where we end up with it. It's all coming together pretty quickly. But Damo, who knows exactly the secrets of the universe when it comes to the Haltech software. Let's see how that goes.
Password.
Oh yeah. Alright, we just cranked the car for the first time. None of the fuel lines are leaking. Look at that. Unreal. Unreal, I can't wait. I'm gonna grow a whole cornfield. There's gonna be that much ethanol going on inside of you. Selfie mode, man. Alright, so what did you just do? You've just searched the part number for the injectors, and then that'll give you all the information that you need to plug into the NSP software.
Yeah, lets us know what the injector does, and the computer can work out how much fuel to inject, and things happen. It's good. It's all good things.
Good. Because we need to install the NSP software, because the ESP is a bit dated and very slow.
Yes, quite slow. Takes a while to do anything really.
It smells like corn syrup. Oh, dude. See ya. Asti. Astro. It was AC request. AC request, which... Well, like, yeah, supposedly AC request. Bro, you're actually the super tuner.
I wish. Oh goodness.
Oh.
Hey mate, what's going on? I'm cruising.
He is actually the funniest dog.
We've got our assistant. Hey mate.
Anybody can learn how to tune. Yeah. Dude.
It's like,
Wider, probably.
yeah, that we've got. I'm sure it's got 12 volt. That's pretty easy. But can we check that it's on the right pin?
Yep. Yeah, so there we go. Air intake sensor installed straight away on the planner. We're fixing the flex fuel wiring that nobody's to blame for. Air temp sensor just sculling around here. But what was the ethanol content?
69%.
69% ethanol. The perfect amount.
The best number.
Oh
Goes up and down a little
man.
bit,
What
but
is
that's
going on? What is up with that? We got 69 pounds of boost, 1969 Skyline, 69% ethanol, RB69.
69.
Got a T69 turbo. Got some actual squad goals right now. Record doing whatever. It's not really going to be like. I'm just going to delete the audio. I'm going to speed it up.
The gimbal.
That's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Like, comment, leave your thoughts down below, hit subscribe. It's all going to help out with the channel. Another thing that I wanted to talk about real quickly, a huge thank you to my best friends who gave me an early Christmas present. So we're leveling up the stream now. I've got the new Holyland Lark M1, I think. It's a new little microphone. Obviously I'm using it at the moment, so you'll see up around here it's got one of these little microphones. So let me know how the quality is coming through with the audio. I didn't have it connected properly the first time when I was using it with the GoPro. I plugged it in the wrong way, whatever, but I think it's going to really help just improve production quality here on the set of Big Jet's R32 build. Let me know in the comments and thoughts down below on that. If you have anything that you want to see, shoot me a message and give me some more ideas about the kind of content that you guys want me to make.
Like
Like a jet.
Jetliner.
Like a jet, bro. Yeah.
Funny, huh?